Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Demon Quest Dungeon RPG game crashing at startup, not loading, not launching, not opening, black screen lagging, freezing, not working, keep stopping, or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your device once. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, launch the game and check. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Demon Quest Dungeon game, and here you have to check whether the game needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and once the game is updated, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then go to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that try to log into the game and check if it's working. Or you can also enable airplane mode and again disable it, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can working. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this, launch the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage, click on clear cache. After that, go back, launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, you have to go to things. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you will find whether the phone OS needs any kind of update or not. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should install a VPN app. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps available over here. Here you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of it after the login to it, and after that change the location and then check if the game is opening or launching or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete, and then click on uninstall. After doing this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Demon Quest Dungeon game, and finally click on the install option. After installing the game, now check if the game is opening or launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.